And beautiful Bay of Boat Harbour. Go and see what lobsters, abalone and fish we can find. Here we are standing here getting our fins on, and something was just eat these school of little fish that bumped into my leg like a wobby, or I don't know what it was. Didn't see it. Scared the bejeebers out of me. Never seen someone jump so quick. Hilarious. When we get in, we'll see if we come across it. You see this guy? Oh, stacked. Had it. Hey, how's that? That's what was just whacking into my leg. Just too biggie. But everything happens in the first metre of water.
We're not even, we're not even a metre.
Glad I saw it, because I just said on the video something just whacked into me, eating the fish. It was him. Lucky he didn't spear me. Alright, let's go see what else we can find.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. on. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side.